doing hair loss services, because it's not easy to do, because there's a lot of shame involved around hair loss services. And because there's a lot of shame involved in hair loss services, there you can't really take a lot of pictures of your clients. My clients don't follow me on social media. They don't like my posts. They come sometimes and they tell me they saw it, but they never like it because they don't want anybody to know they're following, because they don't want anybody to know why they're coming. So this is not the easiest thing in the world to do. You have to really want to do this because you care and you want to help, and you want to help restore people's confidence. And that's exactly the reason that I do it. It has been the hardest thing that I've ever done, and that's the truth. And I have kids, and this is second to having my kids is the hardest thing. Like, being a mom is hard, but doing this is hard. It's not easy. It's like the way people feel when they come in here. I have people come in, they cry. I have people who come in who can no longer see themselves in the mirror without their hair. I have people that have so many emotional responses to hair loss and what it means to them and their confidence and youth and how they feel. And it's a lot, and it's not easy to do. And the hardest thing to do with this type of services is trust. They have to trust you and feel comfortable with you and feel like you're somebody you can talk to and feel like you're going to give them the service that they need. But it's not easy. It's not easy. You'll see that a lot of people who do hair loss services, you'll see they don't have a whole bunch of followers. A lot do. I'm not saying all of them don't. A lot of them do, but a lot of them don't, because it's like you're almost like somebody's dirty little secret. But at the same time, my goal is to be able to give as many options as possible, because I do have different types of alopecia, different types of people who need different things, and I want to have as many options as possible. And you have two levels. You have one level where you feel like, I accept this, I want to wear hair now, I want to look good now, I want my confidence back right now. And then you have the other level where people are interested in restoring their hair. So I have something for both. It's all about building your confidence. You come in and see me. It's a private consultation. I want you to be very comfortable. That is my goal when you come in. So that's what I want. That's my goal. That's my motivation from everything that I'm doing, as far as the location, everything. I could easily go try to do the weave thing and post weaves all day and show you how sexy weaves are and get a lot of, I can do that, but it's not what I want to do. It's not what I want to do. And I loved weave for years. I loved it, but I don't love that part of it anymore. This is what I love.